Today we're going to discuss the impact of online defamation on both personal and professional life. Defamation can be incredibly damaging, but understanding its effects and how to address it is crucial. Online defamation occurs when false information is spread about someone with the intent to harm their reputation. This can happen through social media posts, blog articles, reviews, or any other online platform. Let's look at how this can impact both personal and professional aspects of life. On a personal level, online defamation can have severe emotional and psychological effects. Victims may feel anxiety, depression, and a sense of helplessness. It's important to seek emotional support from friends, family, or mental health professionals during this time. Employers often search for candidates online before hiring. Negative and false information can lead to lost job opportunities. For business owners, defamation can lead to loss of customers, revenue, and partnerships. Negative reviews or false claims can drive potential clients away. Now that we understand the impact, let's discuss steps to address and mitigate online defamation. First, document all instances of defamation. Take screenshots, save URLs, and note the dates and times the content was posted. Report the defamatory content to the platform where it was posted. Many social media sites and websites have policies against defamation and will remove the content if reported. Consider sending a cease and desist letter to the person responsible for the defamation. This formal request asks them to stop making false statements and to remove any existing defamatory content. If necessary, take legal action. A lawyer specializing in defamation cases can help you pursue compensation and provide a formal resolution to the issue. Consider using professional services like leak content removal. We specialize in managing and mitigating online defamation, ensuring that your reputation is protected and restored. Our team offers comprehensive services, including content removal and reputation management. Online defamation can have serious personal and professional impacts, but by understanding these effects and taking proactive steps, you can protect yourself and your reputation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance with managing online defamation, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Until next time, stay vigilant and protect your reputation.